Good day, traders. Looking at the 24th of January 2017, a trade we're also looking at for a possibility of a breakup or positive momentum or to go long will be Woolies. Now, Woolies, we're looking at a level of 73 Rand, take profit of about 79.45, and a stop loss level of 70 Rand and 78. That's definitely a long trade, and you can see there's a 1-to-2 ratio here. Now, looking at the chart of Woolies, and this is very important what I want to show you on a week chart. You can see the momentum broke down, and there's a bit of a positiveness happening here on the Bollinger Bands, a breakup through the table price, and that is why I'm expecting at 73 to be taken and almost to a high here of about 78. Just want to bring it up here. 78, 79 will be a great level if this breakup wants to continue to these highs here. You can see there's a bit of on the week chart, there's a bit of positives coming through, breakup coming through, volumes coming through. Shares currently trading at 73.65. So we expect this momentum to carry on at this moment. And remember, if you go back to the specific trade, you will see your stop loss is about 70 Rand and 78 cents. So it's just above this level here with the entry. Look at that increase as a possibility of a possible momentum going up. Enjoy your trading.